Hello friends! First of all, this video is for educational purposes only. Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll be explaining the X Club website in detail as per your requests. I'll walk you through the features of X Club and explain why it is currently the best platform for purchasing cards and gift cards. First of all, this website is 100% trustworthy. Through it, you can get cards and gift cards at very affordable prices, in addition to many other services such as Proxy and RDP. As a beginner, this is the best website to start with because it has everything you need. All right, now let's move on to the essential services that anyone should use to protect themselves, which are RDP and Proxy. Let's start with RDP first. The website offers a variety of RDP packages, but what I recommend for beginners in this field is choosing the first plan, which costs $4 per month. Now, let's talk about Proxy. I also recommend beginners to go with the first plan, as it's the best option. Now, let's move on to the most important part, which is the card store. On this website, you can find cards priced between $12 and $100. From my personal experience, all the cards work and each one has a balance. The minimum balance available on any card here is $180. In addition, the gift card store offers more than 28 types of gift cards. You will receive your gift card within less than 3 minutes after purchase, sent directly to the email of your choice. Gift cards are the safest way to avoid risks in this field, and by purchasing them through X Club, you can save more than 80% of your money. I've probably explained everything. The only thing left is funding the account, which is very simple. The minimum deposit amount is $40. In addition, you can always contact support if you encounter any issues, and they will either respond to you or resolve your problem within a maximum of 24 hours. There's just one last thing: purchasing a card in front of you. After selecting the card, proceed to checkout, then click on View Details, and you'll see the card in